Hi everyone, we're back to do day 2 of our blue book. We're going to work on some of those bigger words, sounding them out and putting some of those sounds together to make those big words. We're going to start with rhyming words. The first word is coast. What word rhymes with coast? Roast or chime? Roast. What word rhymes with thank? Talk or blank? Blank. What rhymes with cheap? Sweep or shape? Sweep. What rhymes with thrift? Drift or bright? Drift. What rhymes with change? Range or chess? Range. What rhymes with thirst? Right or first? First. All right, good job. Here's some beginning sounds. Remember, we're going to listen for the SH, sh, the CH, 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 or the TH, with the tongue out. First, shoulder, shuffle. Sh, 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 SH. Thankful, thunder. TH. Chimney, child. Ch, 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 CH. Though, they. TH. Shake, shine. Sh, 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 SH. Good job, everybody. I know those are tricky. All right, get your choppers out. We're going to listen to some sounds and then put those sounds together to make words. First, old, fold, thump, lash, flash, bent, bent, chomp, chomp, mask, mask, lift, lift. Good job, everybody. Here's some ending sounds. We're going to punch out those ending sounds. Listen for that sound you hear at the end. Crumb. Shield. D. Sandwich. Ch. Scribe. B. Fierce. Blown. Slight. T. Good job. All right, next we are going to chop up some words. So I'm going to give you some words and you can use your hand chopper or your arm chopper to chop out all of those sounds. And you're going to hear 4 sounds in these words, okay? So listen closely. Hunt. 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 Smash. 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 Tent. 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 Paint. 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 Chest. 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 Pinch. Inch. Pinch. Beast. East. beast, coach, coach, coach. Good job, everybody. Okay, now we're going to add in some of those beginning blend sounds like the CL, the BL, the FL. So listen closely. Ub. Add cl. Club. Uff. Add bull. Bluff. Good job. Ag. Add full. Flag. Edge. Add pull. Pledge. Good job. It. Add soul. Slit. Good job. All right, now I'm going to give you the word, and we're going to take away that beginning sound and listen to what's left. First word, repeat after me, clam. Take away coal. Am. Good job. Fly. Take away full. I. Slick. Take away soul. Ick. Glove. Take away goal. Of. Plan. Take away pole. An. Good job. All right, finally, we're going to change some of those beginning sounds. So we're going to take away an old sound and put in a new sound to make a new word. Word is fan. Change f to pull. Plan. Rack. Change to bull. Black. Tub. Change t to coal. Club. Moss. Change to goal. Gloss. Wag. Change w to full. Flag. Good job, everybody. Awesome work today. Keep it up. Work super hard. You can do it. I'm so proud of you. Have a great day, everyone.